Look at that one! Wow! It's so big! Look, Grandpa, so many spices!
Yes, little one. We'll make the best Sichuan fish hot pot tonight.
Grandpa, look, it's cooking!
Yes, it smells
Wonderful, little one!
Needs just a little something. Ah, yes. Perfect.
The fireworks are so beautiful tonight!
Yes, they remind me of our childhood.
Let's eat, Grandma. The pot is ready. Wow! What a beautiful display! It's magnificent!
Look at the fireworks, child.
It's a beautiful New Year's Eve! Wow, the lights are so bright! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Grandpa, Grandma.
Happy New Year, my dear!
Eat well, my dear. It's good for you.
Thank you, Grandma! Wow! Look at all this fish and vegetables! Eat up, grandson. It's all for you! Yum!
Happy Tate. Happy Tate.
Happy Tate, Grandma and Grandpa! This fish is so good!
It is delicious.
Careful, it's hot!
And that's how we first celebrated the New Year, your great-grandfather and I.
Wow! Look at that! Incredible! So beautiful!
You make my heart sing.
And you, my dear, fill mine with joy.
Do you remember last year's lanterns?
These are even brighter.
Wow, look at that one!
Do you remember when we first hung these lanterns for New Year?
Yes, it was so long ago. You're doing a great job, my dear. We cleaned it all up, Grandpa.
Oh, the aroma is just perfect now.
The dishes look very clean, Grandmother. Yes, they do. Tate is over. We prepare for a new morning.
가마랑아. 연신의 면야라가. 너탄마.
Thank you for everything, Grandpa. I learned so much from you.
My dear, I am very proud of you. The bangchung is delicious today, isn't it?
It's perfect, just like always. Mommy made it with extra love.
Here, have some bangchung.
Thank you, Grandma.
Delicious.
Look at the colors.
They're beautiful tonight.
Oh, wow, the big one.
Look out! A promising new year is coming.
Happy New Year, Great Sky! I wish for all good things to come, for everyone to be well and loved. Thank you!
I made your favorite tea. Mama, yeah.
Thank you, dear. It smells lovely.
Remember when?
To prosperity and peace.
To a happy new year.
Do you remember the time you taught me to fly the kite?
How could I forget? You were so small!
Tell me the story
Again, please!
Remember, grandson, always look towards the future.
Okay, Grandpa, I will. Whoa! Now you understand. Yes, I do. Thank you, Grandpa.
I remember the New Year's when I was your age. All of us together, under the same moon.
Tell me about Tet traditions, Grandma.
In the old days, we would light fireworks and make bangchung all night.
Oh, I wish I was there.
Look at them all. A beautiful memory.
We miss them. Look at them, so happy.
Yes,
Yes.
we have been so lucky.
Happy New Year, Grandma and Grandpa.
Happy New Year, sweet child!
May the new year bring us all joy and happiness. Wow! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Ah, yes. The spices look perfect. Oh, Happy New Year!
Thank you, Grandmother. Spicy. Delicious! He loves it. So happy.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, my dear.
Keep warm, little one. The night is cool.
Thank you, Grandmother. The sky is so clear now.
Yes, peaceful. It's beautiful.
Time for bed, little one.
Happy New Year, my dear.
Happy New Year.